This quick video, I want to show you how to change the windshield wiper blades on any Nissan Altima made from 2007 all the way up to like 2018, or any Nissan Maxima made from 2020 down to like 2009. So it covers a lot of Altimas and Maximas. And as you can see here, I got the Raid B silicone wiper blades. Scotty Kilmore here on YouTube says that silicone is the best. It'll last twice as long as the traditional rubber. So it's very simple. It's Mickey Mouse install. Anyone could do it blindfolded. First of all, your longer blade is going to go on your driver's side, which is 28 inches. That's for all Maximas and Nissan Altimas. And then your smaller blade, which is 16 inches, will go on the passenger side. But I'll put a link in the comment section where you'll get the blades that will match all the Maximas and Nissans in the years I stated. Okay, so let's replace the driver's side first. You're going to see, what you're going to do is you're going to push up on the blade like this, and you're going to see a little clip that's down here. Okay, lift, push down, and then what you're going to do, as you see, is I move this plastic over this hook like that. And so that's my bad blade. And then we're just going to loop it. How we put it back on, or how we took it off, is how we put it back on. So you get your brand new blade, and you're going to open up the lid like here. You have to squeeze these two things here, squeeze it in, and you want to slide the hook underneath this hole. So what you're going to do is slide under this hole and line it up, and then push down like that. And it pops in like that. And there you go. That's that blade. All right, now we're at the passenger side. I went ahead and removed the blade and just follow the directions that you did on the driver's side and pop this open like this. And then what you're going to do is line this through here. And then you want to, right here, you're going to simply put that hook there, pop it in, and there you go.